Hello and welcome to Math. Today we're going to be learning about reducing fractions. Hey there! You know what 1/4 and 2/8 has in common? They're equal. Sometimes it's just easier to say, "Hey Mom, I've eaten a quarter of my sandwich," rather than, "Hey Mom, I've eaten 2/8 of my sandwich." So reducing fractions is all about finding simpler terms for the same thing. When we reduce a fraction, we can use division to find a smaller number or a more convenient way to explain what we're talking about. So the way we do that is we try to find a common factor that can be used to make both the numerator and the denominator. So when I say factor, I'm talking about multiplying. So which times table do you know that has answers of both 2 and 8? Well, there's an easy way to figure it out. If we take a look at our times table chart, we can see that if we look along the 2 times tables, there's both the 2, the numerator, and the denominator of 8. That means that both of these numbers can be divisible, can be divided by 2. And we know this because multiplication and division are turnarounds for each other. So if we take that 2 and we divide both numbers by it, 2 divided by 2, and whatever we do to the top, we have to do the bottom. So 8 divided by 2. Whenever we divide by 2, that's just basically saying half. So what's half of 2? 1. What's half of 8? 4. So when we look at it this way, 2/8 is equal to 1/4. And it's amazing. It's just like we saw down here in our example. If you happen to be really good at knowing your multiplication tables by rote, that means you've just memorized the facts and the answers. This will go much more quickly for you. If not, or if you have students that need some differential learning, then you can provide them with the multiplication chart and then it's right in front of them for them to see the answers. If we get to the next question, we run into a bit of a tricky business here because you cannot divide 21 in half and come out with an even number. And so now we have to really think about our times tables. I happen to know that both of these numbers can be divisible by 7. That means our 7 times tables has both of these as products, as answers. So if we divide them both by 7, this is 21 divided by 7. So 7 times what is 21? 3. And 7 times what is 28? 4. I hope this made this clear for you, and if you have any other strategies that you use to figure this out, go ahead and put them in the comments below. Have a great day and enjoy your math.